tumumbok eh.
Ito, gusto pumoste ni Randy Holcomb against Kirby Raimundo. Nakaabang si Rico Villanueva, pero traveling muna ang tinawag dito kay Randy Holcomb.
Because Raimundo did not budge on his position. Talagang handa niyang harapin ito si Randy Holcomb. So turnover naman ito. Pabor sa Pure Foods and Sunny Toss after committing his third. Kailangan pagpahingahin muna. John Ferriols coming in for him.
Here's Kirby Raimundo. Finds James Yap. James Yap guarded by Willie Miller. Binigay kay Roger Yap. He goes inside. He twirls. He goes up. And he goes nowhere. Lead pass to Tenorio to Holcomb. Nawala ng espasyo. Here's James Yap ngayon. James Yap. Crossover dribble. Hands in the air. Wala yung kanyang layup.
Apat yung sumalubong. Apat ang nasa transition defense kagad ng mga taga-Alaska. Even James Yap has to force that one.
Shot selection, no? Nagiging diferensya rin dito. Better shot selections for the Aces.
Better movement and spacing kasi sa kanilang
Ito,
offensive.
better ball movement eh. Oh, kita mo, ikot na ikot yung bola. Wala lang ang tira ni Willie Miller, but that was another open look. Ito naman, Lanete. Parang hirap na hirap dito yung pagdating ng puntos para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants.
If Alaska is looking for the open man, itong mga taga-Pure Foods looking for the open basket.
The first available open look.
So yung assist department talagang dominated ng mga taga-Alaska yan. Because, as I mentioned, no one is orchestrating well dito sa ofensiva ng mga taga-Pure Foods. Unlike sa Alaska, kahit sino, kahit nasa poste na, talagang assist pang hinahanap. The extra pass has been bailing Alaska out here in the ballgame.
Here's Chico Lanete, second free throw for Lanete.
2 out of 2 for Chico Laneta. Total of 4 points for him.
So some backcourt pressure pero naitawid kagad dyan ng Alaska Aces. Here's Larry Fonasher. Here's a triangle offense. Fonasher from the corner. Drives baseline. Bukas na bukas.
Ordinarily, that would be a play for a shooter. But Larry Fonasher, realizing yung defense, nabasa niya ng maigay. Bakit ko hindi sasaksak ito? Luwag na luwag.
Ayun na nga eh. No? Talagang itong Alaska is really trying to get the fight out of the Pure Foods TJ Giants. And look at those shots by Pure Foods. Fonasher, back to Holcomb. Holcomb hands it off to Fonasher. Back to Holcomb. Nag-2-man game lang ito dalawa. And Holcomb nails it. Baksak pa siya.
Nahadulas pa, pero pasok pa rin.
At ito, tignan naman yung hustle dito ni John Ferriols. And it's really the energy being shown here by the Alaska Aces that has been a big difference in this ball game. It's nothing the energy out from the hearts of the Pure Foods TJ Giants.
Bibilib kayo sa bagong TM2